Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the benchmark test in this iPhone 16 Pro Max device on the day one after quick unboxing. So this is the day one guys after you unboxing the device. I'm trying to do the benchmark test in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and right now this is a 256 GB version which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and this is a natural titanium model which I'm trying to use in this video. And right now let me to clear everything. All the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And this is my first time doing the benchmark test with this Apple's A18 Pro Bionic chipset. We're gonna see how much difference in terms of the benchmarks gonna be there when you compare with the previous generation. So let's quickly open the benchmark test and let's start the benchmark test in this device. And before that, if you want to check the temperature, in the beginning it's about 30 degrees, and you can see my room temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius and 30 Celsius, as you can see. And I will be back after some time again to check the temperatures. So right now, as you can see friends, iPhone 16 Pro Max is about 52% regarding the benchmark test, and here's a quick look at the temperatures, which is about 35.6 degrees Celsius. I'm getting 35 degrees Celsius. So 35 degrees Celsius, even the back side is of same. 36.8, 37 I'm getting on the back side in this area, as you can see guys. So these are the highest temperatures the iPhone 16 Pro Max did reach while doing benchmark test. And let's wait for the final result in this device, but this might give a clear idea regarding the temperatures, what will be the maximum in the iPhone 16 Pro Max while doing an benchmark test. So final friends, is a quick look at the benchmark scores in the iPhone 16 Pro Max device with the latest Apple's A18 Pro Bionic chipset. So these are benchmark scores the iPhone 16 Pro Max can get up to 17 lakhs, and this is a 256 GB version which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next for more updates. And the highest temperature the phone did increase up to 35 degrees and 36 degrees Celsius while doing the benchmark test. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.